Is search engine optimization dead? If you're new here, my name is Digital Sargeant. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant, and I happen to own a digital marketing agency, but I happen to have been doing marketing since MySpace was around. I've been in the game for a while, guys. And when it comes to search engine optimization, people are like, SEO is dead. Let me explain. I don't think search engine optimization is dead. I think it's just gotten way more complicated. Once upon a time, when you would need something, you would just go to Google or Bing or Yahoo or whatever search engine you had that you use, and you would just type in your problem. You would do a little bit of research, you'd make the phone calls, and that was the end of your journey. Now people are going to, sure, they're still searching on Google, but they're simply asking AI systems such as ChatGPT, where are the best places to stay in New York City? What is the best kid-friendly thing to do in my town? And it's generating, results based off of that. But the way it's getting these results is that it's getting it from different signals on the internet. So I don't think search engine optimization is dead. I think it's been more important than ever to diversify how you're doing your marketing. So here are a few tips. If you think search engine optimization is dead, here are a few tips to diversify yourself. So number one, you still need to focus on Google. Google is still at the top of this pyramid. There's no way around that. So when you're still focusing on Google, you still need to create high quality content. You need to create diverse content for your website, and also don't abandon your Google listing if you happen to have one. So you still need to focus on Google. But when it comes to your social media marketing, that's a completely different ball game. So number two, social media marketing used to be like, look at me, here's a couple of content pillars, here's how we can help you. Now it needs to be search driven. So we need to create content that somebody would search online, but create that type of content for your social media. And then you need to diversify your content on social media. So we can't really get away anymore with basic, static images or things like that. Now we need to create carousels that are engaging, that encourage people to swipe through. We need to create video content that is engaging, that encourages people to watch it. We need to be using stories. We need to be really just diversifying how we're using our social media marketing content. And lastly, diversify where you are getting reviews. This is really important because whenever those AI systems are taking things into consideration, they're looking for multiple signals. So using or diversifying where you're getting reviews is probably one of the smartest things that you can do. So once upon a time, we would just focus on Google. Like, you only want Google reviews. These are the best reviews, etc. But now we need to be focusing on other platforms like your website, getting good website reviews. If you're, e-commerce, like making sure people are leaving comments there, but also looking into, Nextdoor, Angie's List, Yelp, dare I say, just looking for other places to diversify getting reviews. The Better Business Bureau is a great place to look at getting reviews. So if you think search engine optimization is dead, I think we just have to identify how we're doing our marketing and how we can switch it up for success. So if you have any questions, if you need help with this, let me know. Happy to help.